what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, click on my link below. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do all kinds of review videos for different products, mainly Stitch Fix, but today we're gonna get into this box. If you like these type of videos, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm opening the box. Let's see what's in here, and I'll let you guys know what you get in. So first item is the return bag that you received to ship back anything you don't want. It's free both ways. Next is your price sheet, and then following that is your style card, and my stylist is Brianna. Pulling out the price sheet, we'll do prices at the end. So let's get into the bundle. Here it is. Here you go, both sides. On my try-on, you'll see on the side here, you'll have the picture of the item, description, and the price. So if you want anything here, you can ask your stylist. So, and we'll go over prices at the end. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so the first item we have here is a pair of jeans. These are cute, they're light, they have some cuts on the knees. They are cute, a little bit stretchy, and they are raw hem at the bottom so you guys can see. And these are Stitch Fix exclusive. And where is the tag? So these are the Studio Blue Kelly High Rise Distress Release Hem Crop Jeans in indigo. Super cute. Like these, they would really go well with this top that I have on. Next we have here is a top, really cute. This is the pattern on there. I could wear this with these blue jeans. Looks like it has that's the back. So a little hole in the front, and there's a hole in the back. Super cute, like it, flouncy. I could definitely wear something like that to work. Okay, next are a cute pair of jeans, lovely, adorable black jeans. Oh, I didn't read the item. So that was the Paper Moon Alara Key Hold Knit Top in navy. Okay, next we have is, let me put these tickets in the pocket. So some distressed black shorts, which I don't have any of black shorts. So these are cute, adorable. They have some distressing, if you can see it, and a little bit of a whitewash here, distressing here, and a little bit in the back. So these are really my style. I like these. So these are Just USA Benisa Distressed Fray Hem Short in black. Super cute, adorable, definitely my style. So let's see. The next item, oh, this looks like a kimono or something. So it looks like there would be a tie in the front. We'll have to try this on to show you guys. It's a pretty pattern and pretty color. I really like that a lot. So let's get a little bit closer. There's a little bit of blue in there, browns, mustard, etc. So this is the West Key Costello tie front kimono in green. Pretty. And last but not least, we have this top. I think this is like kind of like a top everybody's been raving about. So we shall see. It is cute and pretty at the top. The sleeves are okay. Very nice. It's kind of like an off-white color. There's a tie in the front. It's kind of boho, but I don't really like boho, so we'll see what it looks like on. Daniel Rain, Serre tassel knit top, off-white, size extra small. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, come back with my final thoughts, and let you know what I decided to keep, if anything. Okay, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first item I have are the jeans. I love them. They fit really nice. The only thing is they're a little bit big in the waist. So I'm gonna see if they have a size down. But if they don't, maybe in my next box I can get something else. Okay, so they're super cute. Love the knee fray, and then there's a fray, as you can see right here. They fit really nice. Only thing is, like I said, they're a little bit big in the waist. Fit all around really nice. Love the color. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, they're very comfortable. They're stretchy, but if I can size down, I will definitely keep these. So these are definitely a keeper if I said I could size down. So let me know what you guys are thinking about these. But yeah, I like them a lot. They're not bad. Next is this top. I did not think I was gonna like it because of the pattern, but I do love navy. It goes extremely well with these jeans. Looks really nice. Let me do a complete turnaround. You can see the keyhole in the back, keyhole in the front. I actually really like this a lot. This is cute. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. It's super lightweight. Can wear it with a light color pair of shorts. So I'm gonna put the black shorts on next, and then let's see what it looks like with this, and then I'll come right back. Okay guys, so next I have the shorts. Let me bring it down. They fit great. I like how they go up on the side and then come back down. They're really nice. The only thing is these are actually really stretchy and a little bit big. So if you're looking for a pair of shorts and you need a little bit room in the waist, these are definitely it. So these are extremely stretchy. You can see the distressing on the side. These are really comfortable. It looks cute with this top, but I don't know if I would wear it with this top. I'm gonna put the kimono on next, but I don't know if I like how they feel right here. So we'll see. Let me wear them a little bit longer, and then I can decide. But yeah, I mean, they're okay. I don't own any black shorts, so these could be a great addition to my closet. Okay, next is the top. It's okay. It's a little bit boho for me. You can tie this right here or wear it open. Let me bring it up a little bit. You could wear it open. It kind of is a little see-through right here. Here is the different type of sleeve. Let me turn around so you can see the back a little bit better. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's not really my style. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Next, I'm gonna throw on the kimono with this and see what it looks like. Okay, here is the kimono. I like the color, like the pattern. Look at the pattern, it's beautiful. Color is beautiful. It's just not for me. It looks too frumpy and too bulky for me. The tie in the front, it was just a regular kimono, maybe a little bit longer. I have it paired still with the black shorts that I'm wearing, but this is just not something that I would wear on a daily or on a weekly basis. I wouldn't reach for it, but let me do a little turn for you guys. So here's the knot in the front. And let me turn. I like the sleeve. It's really cute. It's really open and long, like kind of fluttery, but like I said, it is a little bulky and a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna have to pass on this one. It's just not me. Hey guys, so I'm back. Let's just go over the prices and the items and see how much everything cost, what the total of the box is. So the first item is this Daniel Rain top here. This is $58. So I'm gonna be sending this back because my hair's a little messy. I will be sending this back. Unfortunately, it's just not My style, I'm not really into the boho kind of style, as you could tell by the stuff that I wear on my channel. So I will be sending this back. Next item are these shorts. They are super cute. They're by Just USA. They are so comfortable. If you're looking for a stretchy pair of shorts and they're black shorts, these are your shorts. They are adorable. They are $44. I really like them. I'll probably regret sending these back, but I'm going to be sending them back. I have about 20 pairs of shorts that I got, and I could probably find these probably about half the price somewhere else, but I do love them. And like I said, if you're looking for a great pair of shorts, these are definitely it, and definitely for you. They, like I said, are super stretchy. If you're looking for something more in the waist that stretches, these are it for you. So I'll be sending those back. Next is this kimono. Kimonos are just not my thing. This is not my thing. I did not like this at all. So this is $44. I will be passing on this. If you like these kind of things, this color is gorgeous. I absolutely love it, but it's just not me. If it was just a regular kimono without this tie, I possibly would keep it. So if you like these things and like these kimonos with a cute white top underneath, just plain white top tucked in with some shorts, super cute. Just not my style. Okay, so next is this top. I actually didn't think I would like this. This top here, I thought this was like my least favorite in the box, but I put it on and I love navy and I like the cut and I like it with the jeans that she had sent me. So if I keep anything, this will be it. And this is $34. So this is a possibility. So I'm gonna put that in my possibility pile. And then the the jeans, the studio blue jeans. They were just a little bit big on me. They are $58. So I'm gonna see if they have a smaller size. If they do have a smaller size, I will be purchasing these as well as the top. But if not, I'll probably just be purchasing the top. So these are adorable. I wish they fit more in the waist. I just don't want them to stretch out and then start falling down. So yeah, that's it. My total for my box was $238. Bio 5 discount, 25% off, which would be $59.50 off. Total was $178.50. Not bad for all the items in the box. I guess shorts, jeans, and 3 tops. So that was awesome. Brianna, you're awesome. And if you're new here, like I said, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.